My name's Stuart Russel. For Melbourne Now, I was invited to look at the Great Hall site in the National Gallery of Victoria. So the Great Hall's a tricky place. It's never been integrated into exhibitions previously. Fairly early on in the piece I knew it was a curatorial project for me, that would be something that I would be commissioning, a range of viewpoints. The City of Melbourne came on board and NGV had this idea that they might be able to take the flags out from the Great Hall and extend that curatorial range from the NGV and put them into the city. 16 sites, 16 artists. Flags have been, an ongoing opportunity for me to discuss usually nationalism. I was interested in this emergence of a home within Melbourne City and the new buildings that are going up, residential buildings that are going up, and how that might change our perceptions of the densification of the city. And all the cranes working is indicative of something. You know, the fact that we see all the cranes in the skyline, it's not always like that in cities. And this idea of working cranes became the vehicle to discuss and represent the future. We negotiated with the CFMEU to be able to put John Campbell's flags on cranes that had a geographical relationship with each other that would change. We wanted to start, this kind of dialogue between texts. When we can involve a community and when we can involve stories about the site that tie in, then the artwork looks less hung out to dry. It seems more supported and readable. And then with the use of apps and devices, people will be able to see on a mobile device some explanation for the work and why it's there.